continue to inspire, guide, and illuminate countless lives. Veena ma'am was one such remarkable soul. I'm sorry, I'm shivering right now, I'm not able to speak, but yes, I have to speak. 1 year has passed since she left us physically, yet it feels as though her gentle smile, encouraging words still echo through these corridors. Let us honor her memory by living the values she taught us: kindness, honesty, discipline, and the courage to dream beyond limits. On behalf of the entire Lawrence family, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all of you. As we begin the solemn remembrance, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty through the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. I feel privileged to invite our esteemed principal, respected Sir, Mr. Rajan Gupta, and Ms. Niharika to come forward and perform the auspicious lamp lighting.
I'm sure it's not easy for each one of us who's present here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. With gratitude and cherished memories, let us begin this morning by watching a special presentation, a journey of grace, purpose, and legacy. A heartfelt tribute to the inspiring life, unwavering dedication, and enduring legacy of our beloved Mrs. Veena Malhotra. December 1941, Veena was born to Pyar and Yudhishthir Lal as Lakshmi Taneja. Even then, she showed a glimpse of her strong will when at the age of 6 she became Veena from Lakshmi because she wanted to.
रहे ना रहे हम रहता करेंगे
Mrs. Malhotra and her 6 siblings built their life across Lahore and then Delhi based on the strong principles of the Taneja family.
रहे ना रहे
Coming from a family of judges, she knew being moral, first and foremost, would be her path. And then came discipline, independence, and ambition. She never let life just happen to her. She took it by the horns and led the charge. At Indraprastha College in Delhi, she honed various skills and interests. She was part of the NCC, loved being on stage, all while getting a degree. 1966, she went from Miss Taneja to Mrs. Malhotra. Two years later, they had their daughter Vandana, or as she called her, Vandu.
रंग बन के रहेंगे हम खिलामा
चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी फिजाओं या बहारा
यूं ही जो
Her family grew. Along came Rajan,
two granddaughters, Niharika and Urmanta. Her bitias who learned from her the very same values she grew up with. Mishri Golo, she'd say to them. And finally Dylan, her grandson-in-law who still says bunkum like her. Quietly, steadily, ambitiously, Mrs. Malhotra was building another family that eventually came to be her pride. When she was just 13, she told her sister Vijay that she would open a school someday. 30 years later, 1984, in a small flat, began Lawrence Public School. It was at this flat where she, along with Mrs. Chandramukhi and Vandana, started teaching 13 students. In those days without social media or modern advertising, Lawrence grew leaps and bounds thanks to Mrs. Malhotra's determination, hard work and word of mouth. With teachers like Mrs. Singh, Mrs. Parmar, Mr. Desraj, she went from that flat to a house, to 4 houses, Dara Studios, industrial area, and finally the Lawrence Public School we are sitting in today. No one was ever turned from her door. Her priority was always the welfare of students and teachers, be it academics or extracurricular. Staying in tune with educational trends, latest facilities, best aids, Mrs. Malhotra was ever evolving and never believed in staying stuck. Nothing made Mrs. Malhotra, or ma'am to all of you, happier than being at school. Did you know she hated being photographed? But here is proof that for her school, anything. Lawrence went from 13 in a flat to 1800 plus students across 2 school buildings, a landmark educational entity because of one woman. Today, a year on, we mourn her absence, we miss her, but every day we celebrate her resilience and leadership with the legacy she leaves behind.
Mrs. Veena Malhotra, you will always be remembered with love, respect, and deep affection. You may be gone from our sight, but you will never be gone from our hearts. Om Shanti. To express the collective sentiments of the Lawrence family, I respectfully invite our school Vice Principal, Mr. Desraj sir, to share a few words on behalf of the staff of Lawrence Public Senior Secondary School and Lawrence Learning Lounge. Sir.
Thank you, Pandit ma'am. Respected Principal, Mrs. Vandana Gupt, Honorable Members of the School Management, Mr. Rajan Gupt and Ms. Niharika, dear family members of our beloved Principal, Mrs. Singh, our former Vice Principal, Mr. S.L. Tandon, Mrs. Mandeep Chawla, teachers, staff members and ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. Today we gather here with profound respect, gratitude and heartfelt emotions to commemorate the first death anniversary of our beloved principal, Mrs. Veena Malhotra. Though 1 year has passed since She left us on 7th July 2025, but her memories continue to illuminate every corner of the Lawrence Public School. Her voice may no longer echo through the corners of the Lawrence Public School, but her vision, her values, and her legacy continue to inspire us every single day. Madam Veena Malhotra was not merely a principal of the school, but she was the soul of this institution, a compassionate guide, an inspiring mentor, and a visionary leader. I consider myself fortunate to have worked alongside her as the vice principal of the school. And trust me, every day was an opportunity to learn from her wisdom, her patience, and commitment to excellence. She believed that education was much more than textbooks and explanations. She believed that she believed in nurturing character, building confidence, and shaping responsible citizens. Madam always reminded us that school is not just by the marks its students score, but by the values they carry themselves throughout their life. As a leader, she was firm in her principles but gentle in her approach. Every decision she made reflected her commitment to the welfare of the students and growth of the school. She remained, even during the difficult times, she remained calm and optimistic and giving confidence to everyone around her. To our students, Madam was more than a principal who celebrated their achievements and stood beside them during the difficult times. To the teachers, she was an inspiring leader who constantly motivated us to improve ourselves. She encouraged innovation in teaching, valued teamwork, and always reminded us that the greatest reward of a teacher is the success of their students. Her trust empowered us. Her guidance made us better educators. To parents, she was a dependable partner in shaping the future of their children. The greatest tribute that we can pay to her is not through the words alone, but through our actions. Every student who learns with sincerity, every teacher who teaches with dedication, every parent who supports the school, and every member of this school who serves with integrity carries forward her legacy. मैडम, आपका हर शब्द हमारे लिए दिशा था, आपकी हर मुस्कान हमारे लिए शक्ति थी, आपकी हर सीख आज भी हमारे निर्णयों की रोशनी है। कहते हैं कि शरीर चला जाता है पर कर्म अमर हो जाते हैं। आज हम सब उसी के साक्षी हैं, क्योंकि आप कहीं नहीं गई हैं, आप इस स्कूल के हर कोने में हैं, हर कोने में बस गई हैं। जब कोई बच्चा सफलता पाता है तो लगता है कि आप मुस्कुरा रही हैं। जब कोई अध्यापक पूरे समर्पण से पढ़ाता है तो लगता है कि आपका आशीर्वाद उसके साथ है। जब स्कूल नई ऊंचाइयां छूता है तो ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि कहीं दूर खड़ी होकर आप कह रही हो कि यस, यही मेरा सपना था। हमने आपको खोया नहीं है, हमने आपको अपने जीवन का हिस्सा बना लिया हुआ है। मैडम, आपका स्थान कोई नहीं ले सकता। कुछ रिक्त स्थान कभी नहीं भरे जाते, वे केवल श्रद्धा से सजाए जाते हैं। आज हमारी आंखें नम हैं, पर हृदय गर्व से भरा हुआ है कि हमें आपके साथ काम करने का और आपसे सीखने का मौका मिला है। ईश्वर, उस परमपिता परमेश्वर से हमारी प्रार्थना है कि आपकी पुण्य आत्मा को अपने श्री चरणों में शाश्वत शांति प्रदान करें। I extend my sincere thanks to each one of you for joining us today to celebrate a life that continues to inspire us. Before I conclude, I would like everyone to watch a slideshow showing how hard we all are working as a team under the able guidance of our respected principal, Mrs. Vandana Gupta, to prove ourselves worthy on the expectations of Mrs. Veena Malhotra. Om Shanti. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for your heartfelt words that truly reflect the emotions of the entire Lawrence family. Now let us watch a special tribute in which the teachers of Lawrence share their cherished memories, gratitude and emotions for our beloved Mrs. Beena Malhotra ma'am.
Whenever I think of ma'am, one sentence fills my heart. She was an epitome of love, compassion, hard work, dedication and commitment.
Our late principal ma'am, Mrs. Malhotra, was a remarkable personality, an esteemed educator and a fine human being.
I feel deeply honored and emotional to speak a few words in the loving remembrance of Madam Beena Malhotra. Her dedication, sincerity and visionary leadership.
Thank you ma'am for believing in me before I could believe in myself. Today on this day, I remember you. In fact, we all remember you with a lot of gratitude and emotion.
Her hard work, commitment and inspiring personality earned her the respect and admiration of the everyone.
She was the guiding force of our school. She offered wisdom at the time of challenges and always pushed all of us to achieve our absolute best. ऐसे उछालो यारो, never say I can't. मैम, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸੰਖਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਸੰਸਕਾਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਪੂੰਜੀ ਹਨ। Today we are the best versions of ourselves because of you, ma'am. The greatest lesson you left us with bombs, to inspire by example, not by words. Your words are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep.
What I have learned from Principal Stanley is that follow your passion. It doesn't matter when you realize your dreams.
We are stronger, resilient, and self-believer because of love, leadership, and receipt of inner hand, grace, and confidence.
I learned punctuality.
और फूल मुस्कुराए, अभी मैं याद आए।
हमने मैडम से बहुत कुछ सीखा कि अपना काम अच्छे तरीके से और खुद टाइम से करना।
We love you, ma'am.
As a humble offering of love and prayers, the teachers of Lawrence are now going to present a devotional and musical tribute in honor of Mrs. Veena Malhotra, ma'am.
कर्पूरे गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम कर्पूरे गौरम करुणावतारम कर्पूरे गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। हे कालरात्रि हे कल्याणी तेरा जोड़ धरा पर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं। हे कालरात्रि हे कल्याणी तेरा जोड़ धरा पर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं। तेरी ममता से जो गहरा हो ऐसा तो सागर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं। कैलाश के निवासी नमो बार बार हूँ कैलाश के निवासी नमो बार बार हूँ आए शरण तिहारी प्रभु तार तार हूँ कैलाश के निवासी नमो बार बार हूँ नमो बार बार हूँ आए शरण तिहारी प्रभु तार तार हूँ आए शरण तिहारी प्रभु तार तार हूँ। भक्तों को कभी शिव ने निराश ना किया भक्तों को कभी
Meenakshi ji and her group to present a devotional bhajan tribute. May these sacred bhajans become our collective prayer for eternal peace and our humble expression of gratitude to the Almighty.
Hello.
नमस्कार आप सभी को। तो आइए मिलकर मन को एकाग्र करते हुए जाप करें गायत्री मंत्र का। जिस प्रकार बर्तन मांज देने से उसका मैल छूट जाता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार गायत्री साधना से आत्मा निर्मल और प्रकाशमान हो जाती है। तो क्यों ना हम सब मिलकर इस लौ को जगाएं। स्लाइड्स में मैंने जो देखा मैम के बारे, तो बस इतना ही कहूंगी कि इतना भी आसान नहीं होता हर दिल अजीज होना। तो वो है वो रहेंगी। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। पता है आपको क्या करना है? आप सबको मिलकर मेरे साथ गाना है। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। जैसे प्यासी धरती को सावन का संदेश, जैसे तपती रेत में एक ठंडी छांव, यही सुख जब हमें प्रभु भक्ति से मिलता है तो इस भजन के प्रत्येक शब्द को आप साकार मान के जरा देखिएगा। मेरा दावा है कि आप एक बहुत आनंद में डूब जाएंगे। तो आइए मिलकर देखें इसके भाव को, सुने, महसूस करें और गाएंगे। जैसे सूरज की गर्मी से जलते हुए तन को मिल जाए तरवर की छाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया मेरे नाम। सूरज की गर्मी से जलते हुए तन को मिल जाए तरवर की छाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया मेरे नाम। भटका हुआ मेरा मन था कोई मिलना रहा था किनारा, भटका हुआ मेरा मन था कोई मिलना रहा था सहारा, लहरों से लड़ती हुई नाव को जैसे मिलना रहा हो किनारा, उस लड़खड़ाती हुई नाव को जो किसी ने किनारा दिखाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया मेरे नाम। जिस राह की मंजिल तेरा मिलन हो उस पर कदम मैं बढ़ाऊं, जिस राह की मंजिल तेरा मिलन हो उस पर कदम मैं बढ़ाऊं, फूलों से खारों से पतझड़ बहारों से मैं ना कभी डगमगाऊं, पानी के प्यासे को तकदीर ने जैसे जी भर के अमृत पिलाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया मेरे नाम, आया मेरे सूरज की गर्मी से जलते हुए तन को मिल जाए तरवर की छाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया मेरे नाम। तो आइए सब मिलकर एक प्रार्थना गीत को गाएं। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करना। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, अभी जो मैं प्रार्थना आप सबके समक्ष रख रही हूँ, मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि आप वो सारी ही मेरे साथ गाएंगे। चिट्ठी ना कोई संदेश। इस गीत के मन को वही जान सकते हैं जिन्होंने अपनों को खोया हो। विशेषतः वो पंक्ति एक आह भरी होगी। ये सच में भावनाओं को अंत तक झकझोर देता है। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश जहाँ तुम चले। चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, कुछ पल के लिए शिव के धाम चलते हैं, क्योंकि मानव मस्तिष्क में इतनी शक्ति तो है कि वो जहाँ चाहे वहाँ पल में पहुँच सकता है। तो क्यों ना पहुँचा जाए कैलाश। शिव के आशों के वासे केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् एक मिनट सुनिए, मैं थोड़ा सा डिफरेंटली गा रही हूँ। अच्युतं केशवं के तो अंत में ये अंतिम प्रस्तुति होगी मेरी, लेकिन ये मेरी नहीं, हम सब की प्रस्तुति है। हम सब गाएंगे राम नाम की धुन। हे राम हे
हे
धन्यवाद आप सभी का, आपके सहयोग का। बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सभी से मिलकर, एकदम एक साथ हुए थे हम, इधर भी और इधर भी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
एक बार मिलकर जोरदार तालियां and your team for filling this gathering with peace, devotion and spiritual grace. आपने वाकई समा बांध दिया। थैंक यू। नम आंखें बहुत कुछ कह जाती हैं जो शब्द कभी नहीं कह पाते। कुछ रिश्ते, कुछ यादें रह जाती हैं। आंखों में आए ये आंसू कमजोरी नहीं, बल्कि उस प्रेम और सम्मान की निशानी है जो दिल में हमेशा जीवित रहता है। कभी कभी खामोश आंसू हजारों शब्दों से ज्यादा गहरी बात कह जाते हैं। आज हमारी नम आंखें इस बात की गवाही दे रही हैं कि कुछ लोग भले ही इस दुनिया से चले जाएं, लेकिन वे हमेशा हमारे दिलों में जीवित रहते हैं। To conclude this solemn gathering, it is my honor to invite our esteemed principal ma'am, Mrs. Vandana Gupta, to address us with her words of reflection and tribute. Ma'am, may I kindly invite you on the stage, please? Thank you.
Who have gathered here today. First of all, let me thank those who helped me in putting up today's program. It would not have been possible without those who helped me out. So thank you. I sincerely thank Meenakshi ji and her team who created a vibe in which we can remember her in her true self. Thank you, Meenakshi ji. It was wonderful. As you had promised, every eye will be wet and each heart would remember her. Thank you so much. Mom's soul lies in the school, as you all know, at Lawrence. Even when my daughter was getting married, her heart, her mind, and she herself were in school because there were board exams going on. So that is mom for you. And all of you here, each one of you, have helped me to keep her soul alive. Your constant encouragement and support through the last year have been an immense source of strength for me. As we remember her on her first death anniversary, the management would like to announce a Veena Malhotra Nishkama Karma Scholarship. This would be for 2 deserving students who will be selected by a jury of teachers. Nurturing deserving students was her sole purpose, and Lawrence will continue honoring her wishes through this scholarship. I once again thank you all in joining us, Rajan, Niharika, Amrantha and Dylan, and of course myself, in remembering mom in a style befitting her. Thank you once again. It will take about 10 minutes for lunch to be laid, as I did not allow anyone to enter while the program was going on. So another 10 minutes and lunch would be laid. Please have lunch and go. Thank you once again.